in the UAE. And ano po, tipping is optional in the UAE. It's not mandatory. SIM cards and connectivity. So the SIM cards and connectivity, we are very generous in Wi-Fi. Every place you can connect to Wi-Fi. It's for free. From the airport, from the time in London, it's for free. There is no registration needed. You can connect. And for the tourists, we are also giving free SIM card in the airport. Once you arrive, we are also giving that. Of course, safety and the local laws. UAE is, I think, one of the safest country, and it's really safe. We are very strict in laws on drugs, the public behavior, and decency. Shopping and bargaining. Those malls, the price are fixed. You cannot bargain in the malls. But in Old Dubai, sa Gold Souk, pwede po kayong mag-bargain doon because hindi fixed yung mga prices doon. There are times that, I think it's present everywhere that some of the vendors are taking advantage of the tourists. So they will put higher price, but you can always bargain to them. Okay, the local time. UAE is 4 hours behind from the Philippines. And our weekend used to be Friday because it's a Muslim country. But since the government realized that most of the people in the UAE are expats and we're doing business internationally, so they also follow the same of our clients, which is Saturday and Sunday. Our office Saturday and Sunday. Okay po, visiting during Ramadan. This is just for you to know about Ramadan. I think Ramadan is, you know about Ramadan. It's the holy month for the Muslim. So during this time, there are many restrictions in the UAE, like you cannot eat outside. In terms of dressing of the woman, it has to be really long. You cannot wear skirt and sleeveless. And there are no entertainments in the bars during Ramadan. Ramadan varies yearly. So this year it was March. It's, I think, first week of March until end of March. So now it's gonna move ahead again. Maybe it's gonna be end of February until March will be during Ramadan. So during Ramadan, one more thing about during Ramadan is hotels are also on promotion during Ramadan. So it's good thing that now the Ramadan is during the winter season. So you can enjoy the weather also and get some offers during Ramadan. Only there are some restrictions you will feel because of it's fasting or holy month for the Muslim. But in general, still, you can experience most of the activities during Ramadan. Well, actually, that's all about